Hello everyone, welcome back to TuCasaDePapel. Today I am sharing a short tutorial on how to make a small Christmas junk journal. Yes, I am late to the Christmas journal making party, but I decided to show up anyway. I know there's a procrastinator somewhere out there who, just like me, wants to make their Christmas journal and fill it up before the year ends. I'm using my new printable Christmas journal kit. It has green, red, and blue tones collaged with beautiful Christmas embroidery, holiday recipes handwritten in Spanish, vintage ledgers, and religious ephemera, filled with holiday cheer and floral wallpapers that I just can't get enough of. I am also using my new printable ephemera kit, which includes colorful pockets and tags with festive illustrations. These two wallpaper border trims are my favorite embellishments from this collection. I've also included cute sentiments and decorative trims, and the most gorgeous envelope to hold your holiday treasures. Here's another look of some of the ephemera included. Let's get started unfolding the pages of our journal. This will be my cover page, and I am folding it less than halfway because I want to create a layered effect so that the following pages that make up my journal can peek through, adding dimension and pops of color. After I folded my pages in the order that makes me happy, I am going in to add pockets and embellishments from the ephemera kit. I'm adding a little bit of tape to this wallpaper border trim and will later go over it with my sewing machine to transform it into a side pocket. I am tucking lots of journaling cards and tags to use later for journaling space. The red vintage tags on this page remind me of Christmas gift labels, so I decided to attach a couple of tags to this page like a cute embellishment that sits on top of a gift. On this page, I wanted to tuck this cute green tag, but I didn't have another pocket, so I trimmed off the side of this journal page and reattached it to make it a thin side pocket. I took my journal to my sewing machine to finish putting together all the embellishments, and I added some new ones to the cover. Here's our finished Christmas junk journal flip through. I'm too late to do a December daily journal, so instead I will be using this as a gratitude journal to encourage me to reflect on 2021 and keep a positive mindset for the new year. I will be sharing my gratitude journal prompts, a journal with me, and a final flip through in my next video. I decided to make a very simple cover for this journal, but it didn't turn out how I envisioned it, but here it is. I do love the inner fabric, which reminds me of the Christmas song, Mi Burrito Sabanero, and I love how it complements all the colors seen on the layers of the journal pages. I'm using an elastic cord in my journal cover to simply insert my journal pages, and that way it's easy to take them out and work on these pages before the year ends. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Let me know below if you use these in your Christmas journaling. I would love to see how you make them your own. See you in the next video. Bye.